Hola mi gente. Today we got a motherfucking lamb burger. You're currently propped up on a cup of black coffee. Having black coffee in a burger because I'm sick in the head. But about to go do a glacier tour, so need some sustenance. Get a little shot of the burger. We got some brie cheese on there. It's cranberry chutney and, you know, a lamb patty as per the name. Let's not beat around the bush and give this a try. It's lamb. Like, that's the first thing you get. You take a bite of that and you're like, oh, it's lamb. It's a little gamey. I've had a lot of lamb here in Iceland. Unfortunately, not recorded much of it. I don't know how I feel about the cranberry chutney. Like, I think I am a fan. I think I'm gonna like it more when I take more bites, get more brie. The bun is really soft. It's like I'm eating a Big Mac or something. But honestly, pretty delicious. And I feel like kind of an oaf because I'm trying to, you know, hold and hold. I'm gonna use stupid bites. Yeah, let's do this. 2 hands. As I say every time I have a sandwich, what I'm looking for is the complete package, right? Like, do the elements work together to make a cohesive burger? And yes, this works. Like, the chutney does its job, the cheese does its job, the little mayo does its job, lettuce, onions, boom, they all do their job to make a really good sandwich. If I had to give this a rate, like, as I said, sweet on a burger, not my favorite, but the meat is really good. I think the fact that the sheep here eating wild grass makes the meat leaner, cleaner, just tastes better in my opinion. Overall, I'm gonna give this a 7/7. My ratings are always bullshit. You kind of know that. I come up with it on the spot. I never script any of these things, but I want to record more stuff, so hope you enjoy. I mean, like, you're currently propped up on like an electrical box, and then the bathroom is right there, and like I said, coffee in the back. But hope you enjoy lamb burger. And hey, why not? Let's some more of the scenes. Can you see any glaciers? I don't know. Yeah, back there. Anyway, signing off.
You know, any day, or it could even be in 10, 15 years.